Hey guys, how you doing? Joseph Durso here from Team Pedal Commander. Today we're going to install the Pedal Commander Powersports unit, PC-152 on a Can-Am X3, it's 2018 X3 Turbo. We're going to walk through, we're going to go through all the steps of what you need to do to install it correctly. It's going to take just a few minutes. Unlike our standard vehicle installs, you're not going to have to take as much time for the ECU to shut down. It's going to be a simple plug and play procedure. Take a look, see how it works. So first, we're going to go to the right side of the gas pedal. You're going to find the OEM harness. You're going to unclip it, remove it. You're going to open up your Pedal Commander box. You're going to pull the male side of the plug, reinstall it into the gas pedal. You're going to take the female side of the Pedal Commander plug and plug it directly into the OEM stock harness. Now you guys have the ability, you can route it wherever you would like, under the dash, on top of the dash, but you're all set, ready to go out and have a good time.